Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Ortega 2x2 tutorial, and this one is going to be about making the first side. So as you probably know from watching the intro video, and if you haven't watched the intro video, go check it out now. I've put a link down below in the description, and yeah, so check that intro video out. It's going to explain everything about Ortega and everything you need to know. And so this tutorial is just going to be about making the first layer, which is the first step to Ortega. And yeah, so let's get started. So a good example of a side that's finished is this. So we have one side finished, all the stickers are on the bottom, but not necessarily the corners permutated correctly. So to be solved, this corner belongs over here and this corner belongs over here, or we can do vice versa. These two should swap. And so this is perfectly normal for Ortega. That's why Ortega is so cool, because you do not need to finish the corner permutation in order to solve the cube. And yeah, so the first thing that we're going to be talking about is what to do if 3 stickers are already on the bottom. And the first case that I'm going to be talking about is this case. So if one sticker is facing like this, facing towards you, if you hold the L like this, and the 3 stickers like this, and 1 sticker's over here, then what you can do is just insert the, this over here like you would do on a 3x3. So going like this, and inserting that sticker into here. Next case is if you still have the 3 stickers, then you will have the sticker on this side, and what you can do is a couple of simple ways. You could just move this sticker like this, and then take this sticker, put it over here, so like this, and then move this side down to complete this side. And that's just a really easy case because it's only 3 moves, and can be performed very, very quickly. So this is where the cases start to get a little bit harder. These are more complicated cases. So this case is where you have the 3 corner stickers here and 1 corner sticker facing the top this time instead of on the side. And so this case can be harder to deal with because there are a couple of more efficient ways, but a couple of them are more inefficient than others. That sounded confusing, I know, but you'll get it. So what I used to do for this, which I still think is kind of good because the ergonomics of it are pretty good, pretty simple and easy to use. And so I used to do this. So I would bring this down here like this, and then deal with it this way, so like that. And then so that can be done fairly quickly, but I kind of feel like that's just not that fast, and I feel like there are other ways that you could do it even faster. So let me do that again. So that's like this, and then putting that in there. As you can see, that was pretty fast, but that was also kind of time consuming. Like, it was performed fast and it looked fast, but in a real solve that would have been pretty slow. So instead, I'm going to teach another method instead of that the long sequence one to solve this corner sticker, which is to put this over here like this in relation to this sticker. And what we can do is move this sticker up like this, pair them up, move it to side, and then move this bar back down here. If you've done 4x4, you will this is pretty simple, and you should probably know how to do this. So it's kind of like just taking the L, finding one bar, looking at the lone sticker. So if you looked at this bar and you cover up this bar, the lone sticker would be the sticker that's left over, which is this sticker. You want to put this sticker in relation to where this sticker will be when you do an R2. So in this case, this will be up here. So if I put it over here, this would not make a bar, this would make diagonal bar, and you don't want that. You just want this to be over here so you can make a bar, and then do a U, and then move this back down. So here's another example. This is an example that's a little bit different. So here we have our 3 corner stickers, and the corner sticker that's facing up is over here. Now what we need to do is move it so that this is in relation to this corner sticker if we look at this bar. So if we cover up this bar and look at this sticker when we do an R2 is going to be up here. So we need to move this sticker over here so that when we go like this, it'll make a bar. And then when we do that, we can just do a U prime and then move this back down, and that'll make a face. So now that we've finished talking about the 3 corner sticker cases with the last corner sticker in the top layer, now we're going to talk about when the corner sticker's in the bottom layer, so in the face. So twisted wrong, the white sticker should be over here. So the first case is when this sticker, the white sticker is facing towards you. The other case is when the white sticker is facing towards the other side. I'm going to go over that later, but for this case, you just do double reverse sexy. If you don't know what that means, that's basically just taking this this corner out like this, and then putting this corner into here like this. So you can do that pretty quickly, and so I feel like double reverse sexy isn't too hard to do. It's it's pretty quick. If you can get the hang of it and just do it quickly, then I guess it's pretty fast. But yeah, so now moving on to the next case. So now for the other case where the corner is also in the slot, and it should be the white sticker should be facing this side. When we have our 3 corner stickers like this, the sticker faces the right side, and so this the solution to this case is just the opposite of the solution to the other case, which is does double sexy. And that solves that sticker. And so this corner in the slot cases are actually pretty easy. Just need to take some time to recognize them, which is could ruin a solve, but I feel like if you can just recognize it and have enough practice recognizing these cases, then you could just do these pretty easily. So this is the last case of the 3 corner sticker cases. Now we're going to move on to the 2 corner sticker cases. Now that we're moving on to the 2 corner sticker cases, sometimes during a scramble, you're not always going to get 3 corner stickers already done for you. Sometimes you're only going to get 2, and so in this case, the cases, like the number of cases, skyrocket for this one. So I'm not going to go over every single case. Most of the time, you can just find a sticker like this one that you could just turn down like this to become a 3 sticker case, and then now you can just deal with that case like any normal 3 sticker case like that. So yeah, so here's just an example of another 2 corner sticker case. So we have 2 corner stickers already done for us, and the stickers up here. Whenever you see a white sticker on the top and a 2 sticker corner case, you should be able to know that just an R2 will turn this sticker from here down here and making a 3 sticker case, and you can just deal with the 3 sticker case that comes after that. So this one. So most of the time during inspection, you'll be able to predict what 3 sticker case will come after you put this corner into here. And that's just another skill. I might make another video on that, and that's just a whole nother skill. So I'm not going to be going over that in this video, though. So yeah, the whole idea of 2 corner sticker cases are easy. So just take just take any sticker that you see fit, and then just put that sticker with 1 or 2 moves and move that sticker into this this layer here, and then that will make a 3 sticker case, and then just solve the 3 sticker case as you would normally at the beginning of the video that I taught. So yeah, 2 sticker cases aren't that hard, and they're pretty much just 3 sticker cases. And now as for the diagonal 2 sticker cases, I probably wouldn't recommend trying to solve on those. I also recommend trying to become color neutral on these first layers, because what can happen is you can find another 2 sticker case like this, or even a 3 sticker case, which we don't have on this scramble. But so solving this diagonal case could take a ton of moves, and I only recommend up to 5 moves for the first side. And so to solve this layer, I would probably do this corner into here, so like this, and this corner like this. That takes a lot of moves, and I probably wouldn't recommend that. So I probably would not recommend solving on diagonal 2 sticker cases. Try and look for a 3 sticker case that you can solve easily. And yeah, so that's just my advice on 2 diagonal sticker cases. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you thought that there was any cases that I missed that were really important, or you think I did something wrong, or you think that I have there's an algorithm that is easier to perform or memorize, please comment down below. I also have the introduction video linked down below in the description. Go check that out right now. And that introduction video will guide you on the tips, not just tips, but like how the Ortega method works. And so I'll have more videos coming out, like OLL and PBL coming out, and stay tuned for those, and I'll see you in the next one.